Good day, good week for the markets. All the major averages are higher to end your week. Welcome back, everybody. All right, let's hit some of your calls of the day. And let's begin with Salesforce, CRM, Wedbush, raising its target to $325. That's about $50 more upside than where the stock is now. But, Kevin, you just sold it in your QDVO ETF. Why?
We had a small position in our growth ETF, but we were looking at the revenues declining for 8 quarters in a row. We're very excited about the AI. We know how embedded their customer base is. It's hard, it's easy to get in, but very hard to leave. But we just think that there's a window before they can monetize it. We're going to redeploy the assets elsewhere and look to re-enter it later.
All right, on the flip side, you've got Walmart in your DIVO, not the band, DIVO ETF. Citigroup just raised their target on Walmart to 98. That gives it, let's call it $18 of upside. Are you adding more to the ETF, or is it just like it where it is?
No, I mean, I love the fact that there's a bullish call there. We're enthusiastic about the stock. It's one of our favorite names. When the consumer trades down in a slowing economy, Walmart can be a beneficiary. But it's expensive here. $98 is a little bit of a stretch. We know it'll get there. I'm just not sure when.
Yeah, I mean, I think you're seeing today's price action in Costco and seeing that great results from a company that is highly appreciated make it hard for it to appreciate further. There's absolutely nothing wrong with Walmart or Costco, nothing at all. They've just had a lot priced into them already. And you were mentioning Dollar General and the other dollar stores earlier. I think there's just a wide gap between the customer experience. Have you been in a Dollar General?
I actually have, because when I go to rural Wisconsin, where I have a home, that's one of the main places where you would get Tide. But a lot of times they can be, and I know the stores vary, so don't come at me, Dollar General or Dollar Tree, but they can be a little bit, things are misplaced, there's stuff on the floor, whatever.
You get night crawlers there?
You can't at this one, but there's a great fishing and tackle shop actually right literally across the street.
Mom and Pop has not been put out of business.
Not up in rural Wisconsin, but it is amazing. Is Walmart a retailer? And I know it sounds like a stupid thing to say, but Walmart's digital ad business is they're like, we're looking at you, Amazon. Walmart's they've done management. I think you got to imagine the management team has done a spectacular job with Walmart. Is that an overstatement, Jason, Brenda?
I think they've done a great job on the digital side, with growing faster than Amazon. So that's great. And then on top of that, you can't forget, they're also a staple. They're one of the largest grocer in the country. So they have, a lot to offer, I guess. It's not something that we own, but good to see that they're.
All right, let's move on. Let's move on to sodas and snacks, because Pepsi placed on a short-term negative catalyst watch by Citigroup ahead of earnings. I have no idea what a negative catalyst watch means. I assume it just means watch it for potentially a negative catalyst. Either way, Kevin, you guys own it in your QDVO ETF, Pepsi.
Yeah, so I like the call. We sold it out of our flagship strategy about a year ago. And you say, well, why do you have it in a growth portfolio? What's the logic and the rationale there? Believe it or not, it's the 13th largest holding in the Qs, which surprised me.
Wow.
Yeah, crazy. But we own it. I'm not that enthusiastic about it over the short term. I agree with the call.
Okay, moving on quickly. Any time for Amgen? We have?
I wouldn't be a buyer of Amgen either at these levels. We own it in both of our strategies. It's a full position, but I think that they're going to be challenged. It's done well. I wouldn't be a buyer here on pullbacks for sure, but this call is a little bit premature.
Yeah, and
maybe
the call,
like Walmart.
I threw it in. The call is Cantor Fitzgerald initiates Amgen as an overweight, a fancy word for buy.